New Jersey, until 9:30 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., the Neshannock River in Treatyville was approaching its flood stage of 6.5 feet. The river will exceed its flood stage this evening. Roads are subject to closures in the vicinity of the river. Most flood deaths occur in automobiles. Never drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Floodwaters are usually deeper than they appear. Just 1 foot of flowing water is powerful enough to sweep vehicles off the road. When encountering flooded roads, make the smart choice.